Unity software on the daily chart, pullback over here. We're looking for 𝗪𝗔 support. I'm looking at the history of this chart. We're looking for other pullbacks that's similar in dollar amount. I'm going to start to use this pullback right here. Clicking from that pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. You can see when I make this projection, I have a pullback that is very similar. I'm going to measure this pullback right here. This is $81.32. Just want to go through the exercise so you guys can see what I do on a daily basis. We have to make another trend line over here from that pivot high to pivot low. This pullback is $82.79. So these two pullbacks are very similar. Next, I'm going to use my Fibonacci retracements. Clicking from this pivot low to pivot high. We do have a 618 retracement slightly below that first 𝗪𝗔 support work that I just did. So that's what we mean by price relationships, and right now we have two price relationships. I cannot find a third with this chart. Now when I look at a chart like this, I'm also putting together a plan for the counter argument, which is, why should I not be in this chart? Now why I should not be in this chart, I just have a two price relationship instead of three. In addition, on the hourly chart, price is trading below that 200 moving average on the hourly. So I just want to be patient with this one. Even though it's a nice looking chart, I want to put on the side a high probability for me to do that. I want to be a three price relationship and price trading above that 200 moving average on the hourly chart. Now there are going to be other traders out there a little bit more adventurous. They're looking at this setup, and there are traders out there that go with a single 𝗪𝗔 support. But whatever you do, you got to position size correctly, setting your stop below this pivot low, just in case this chart goes against you. Your plan is in place, you're taking your stop loss, and moving on to another chart. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Hit that notification button. Our first goal is 1,000 subs. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area. Talk to you soon.